You probably remember last week we talked about using 3D printing to make patterns, to make casting. That's not new in industry. It's typically people use polymer prints for that process. So at Catalysis, we use our FX technology to make those patterns. And this is our FX technology that we use for thermoforming. We use it for a lot of other composite tool manufacturing, foaming. It's the same technology we use to make the patterns. So why do we do that versus polymer? The reason is cost and time. It's much faster to print with the FX technology, and the surface finish is better and the cost is lower. So you're probably wondering, I think our question was last week, how much would you pay to go from a 2D paper drawing to 3D data and make that pattern that we showed last week? That was $400, and we did that in a week. So yeah, just another way to use 3D printing technology, FX technology. So contact us if you're interested.